Immunizations, truthfully, is probably one of the most important things we do here at the hospital, because without vaccines, the active duty members, their dependents, the children would not be covered from diseases that easily could be prevented. As far as anybody needing to know, what shots they need, they can just bring their shot records to the clinic. We will put it into our system and we'll tell them what vaccinations they will need. And also for travel, if you are traveling outside the United States, you definitely need to come and make sure that you get the required vaccinations for traveling overseas. We have, of course, school is going to start back, so we're getting all the children up to date with their vaccinations. That also, and their printouts, so they can enroll in school as well. We take for granted immunizations nowadays only because we don't see a lot of disease as probably my parents did and so on, because immunizations is pretty much almost eradicated a lot of those things. Like, you don't see people with polio, or kids don't get chickenpox anymore because we have the vaccine. So a lot of stuff we take for granted now is because how effective vaccines really are.